After the graduation, Tai proposed Cook for marriage as he can't live without Cook, so wanna make him his. Cook also accepted gladly. After 6 months, they married with each other. Tai became the CEO of film industry. Now it's become 2 months of their marriage. Tai become more, but only for his Cook. He didn't leave Cook for even a second, except when he was in office. Tai Cook was sleeping peacefully after not so holy night when Cook POV. I opened my eyes and saw my Yongi was hugging me tightly, voicing my neck in his sleep. End of POV. Cook, my Yongi, he said, lovingly caressing Tai's hair while kissing his cheeks. Cook, Yongi, wake up, you will be late for office, honey, voiced Tai. He snuggled more into Cook's neck and started sucking hardly. Cook widened his eyes. His own hand, his own mouth to control his mouth. Tai inserted his hand inside Cook's shirt and started to play with his while second Cook was controlling him, but Tai removed his hand from Cook's mouth, hold it tightly, and come on top of Cook, doing his work non-stop. Cook him loudly. Satisfaction smirk come on Tai's lips. Cook, never control your princess. I love this music. Okay, dark voice. Cook nodded. Tai, words, princess. Cook, yes. Yoongi Tai can't able to control. He smashed his lips with Cook and kissed him passionately. Tai removed Cook's shirt and both end up again making love. After the whole session, Tai panted heavily. That was awesome. Husky voice. Cook blushed hard. He hugged Tai tightly, hiding his face in his chest. Tai, oh, don't blush, wifey. I will lose my control again, whispered Cook. He touched chest blissfully. Oh, what a beep. He bowed. Tai kisses bowed. I love you, wifey. Love filled eyes. Cook, I love you too, hubby. Bunny smiled. Tai, let's sleep sometime, Bun. I know you are tired. He put the quilt on themselves. Cook. But office do I stay? Kisses eyes. Don't worry, my meeting is late, so I will go on that time. Cook, okay. Both sleep again in each other. Embraces. Time skip. Here Tai was hugging Cook from behind like a koala who was convincing him to go office, but Tai was whining like a baby. Cook, hubby, leave now, pout. Tai, never, I will never leave you. Wifey kisses cheeks. Cook, Tai, you are getting late, leave me now. He pushed Tai lightly. Tai pout. Why, I don't wanna leave you, princess. He caged Cook in his arms. Cook put his arms around Tai's neck. But you have to go now, Tai home. Okay, now I'm leaving, but tonight I will eat you. Bite Cook's earlobe. Cook, red cheeks. Shameless man, Tai. And you love this shameless man, right? Their lips was touching with each other. Cook, yes, I love him the most. And saying that, he captured Tai's lips. Cook, Tai kissed him passionately. He broke the kiss. When he saw Cook become restless, Cook, okay, now go breathing heavily, Tai. He didn't leave Cook's waist, Cook red cheeks. He removed eyes and go, Tai, pout. Yeah, nah, yeah, going. He left. Cook, Ish, this big baby of mine, but I love my big baby. Ish, I already missing him. He shook his head and started to do house chores. Other POV. Cook was doing house chores when he felt like vomiting. He ran to bathroom. Cook washed his face tiredly. What happened to me? I didn't eat any fast food. Then why this? He wiped his eyes. Am I pregnant? He thought that from few days he was feeling like this. These all are pregnancy symptoms. Cook. I think I am. A layer of happiness come inside his body. First, let's go hospital. At hospital, Cook was looking at doctor impatiently. Doctor, congratulations, Mr. Kim, you're pregnant. Cook, really teary-eyed doctor. Yes, and now you have to take full care of yourself. Don't take any type of tension, okay? Cook, okay, doctor, thank you so much. When he smiled, saying thank you to Doctor, Cook left from happily. At Kim Mansion. It was 7 p.m. Cook come back. He was so happy. He didn't tell Tai because he wanna give him surprise. He decorated their room with a gift box on bed. Now he's waiting for Tai. Tai POV. Thank God work is finished now. I can go to my baby. I am missing him so much. He took his car keys and drove back to home. Tai entering in the home. I am back. Love not getting any response. He said. Tai, where is he? Maybe he slept. Let's check the room. Tai, he said, and go to room. Tai entered in room. Tai, while lights are off, he on the light and saw a box was placed on it. Tai, go and open it. He saw positive pregnancy kit. He started crying with happiness, holding it. Go. Back hug him, welcome home, soon to be dad, a sweet voice. Ty, turn him and hug him tightly. Is it true? Am I going to be father? He asks, he's crying. Cook, teary eyes. He kept Ty's face. Yes, hubby. We're going to be parents. Bunny smiled. Ty picked Cook in air. I'm so happy, love you. I'm going to be a father. He screamed loudly. Cook giggled, seeing Ty's reaction. Ash, put me down. Hubby, my head is spinning. Ty, put him down. I'm sorry, love. Thank you so much for this beautiful gift. I love you so much, Cook. I love you too, hubby. He hugged Ty tightly. After that, Ty take care of Cook like a fragile doll. He didn't let Cook do any type of work. Cook is very happy that he got Ty as his husband. After 9 months, Cook was laying on hospital bed, seeing his hubby playing with their daughter. Ty Cook says she is so beautiful and cute and beautiful, just like you, lovely eyes. Cook, yes, she is indeed. Smile. Ty, my little princess, I love you so much that I was going to spoil you with my love, my kimchi. Yes, Ty gave her name kimchi. If you know, then you know. Cook bowed. If she is your princess, then what I am? Tai placed Kim Jong Cook's chest, who held her softly. Tai, you are my princess, and she is my little princess, and I love my both princess so much. Peck his lips. Cook blushed. We love you too, Dada, baby voice. Tai chuckle seeing Cook's cuteness. He embarrassed his boss princess in his arms. Tai, I love you, wifey. Cook, I love you too, hubby. After that, they lived happily. Subscribe my channel for more Tai Cook One Shot. Thank you so much for watching.